And of course, what a man can't do.
Come on,
mate.
not to the world, right? Have not the world, right? Have not the world.
Quick, man. Now, if you can't beat the other fellow you're fighting, then survival is the only way to win. And so you must distract and free. Distract and Please, don't do that. I'm really very sorry. Now, I'll demonstrate, and each of you will give it a chance. 3 quick strokes. Run this way. Run this way. Take him in the belly. Oh, quick. Look, Governor's daughter. Any questions? No? Good. Now, when I successfully play, you all have a job to do as well. I expect to hear each and every one of you yell, hurrah, as they make their escape. So let me hear you do that. 1, 2, 3. Well done. All right then. You ready? Ready. All right then. I had to think about that one. Come on up this way, mate. You're going to fight the stinky one. Very much my speed right here. Alright now mate, hit him on the other side. All the same time, alright then. Punch him right in the belly. Okay. He's on board with that. There it is. Now punch your finger over that way. I look like Tiny Finger Man.